Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Ever wondered how AI seems to magically understand what you want? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the secret sauce behind smarter AI answers prompt engineering. Think of it as telling a genie exactly what you want because trust me, words matter big time in the AI world. So what exactly is prompt engineering? It's like the art and science of crafting questions or instructions for AI to get the best results. There is a world of difference between saying a coffee and a large iced caramel latte with oat milk and no whip, please. See what I mean? The more details you give, the closer you get to what you actually want. It's the same deal with AI. The clearer you are, the better it can serve up exactly what you're looking for. It's like talking to that super literal friend we all have, the one who takes everything at face value. Vague prompts can lead to weird or totally useless answers. Sometimes, changing just a few words can totally upgrade your results. It's like fine-tuning a radio to get that perfect signal. And if you're not careful with ambiguous requests, the AI might start hallucinating. Yeah, that's actually what we call it when AI makes stuff up. So is asking for too much at once. Remember, break it down. And don't forget to specify the format or tone you want. AI is flexible, but it needs guidance. No rambling, folks. AI doesn't need your life story. Next, use examples or context, or set specific rules like answer in exactly 3 sentences. And the best part, anyone can learn it, no coding required. Just a bit of creativity and practice. With a little practice, you'll be crafting prompts like a pro in no time. Prompt engineering isn't just a neat trick, it's a skill that could shape the future of how we interact with technology. The world of AI is huge, and we're just scratching the surface. Let me know what topics you want to dive into, and we'll make it happen. You might just stumble upon the perfect prompt that unlocks a whole new world of AI possibilities. This is your AI enthusiast signing off. Catch you in the next video. Like and subscribe to WhatsNext YouTube channel. Providing context is also super helpful. Something like given this story, write a headline. It's like giving AI a little more backstory to work with. Try your own prompts at home and share your funniest results in the comments. See how the AI changes its answer when you tweak your wording. It's seriously mind-blowing how much difference a few words can make. So, don't just tell it helps the AI understand what you're after. Summarize this news article in 3 bullet points. Explain black holes to a 5-year-old. And if you've got a big request, break it down into smaller steps. AI's smart, but it's not a mind reader. With AI, you've got to be clear, be specific, or things can get weird real fast. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI insights. And hey, drop your best AI prompt in the comments. I want to see what you come up with. Now, why do prompts matter so much? Well, here's the kicker. A tiny change in wording can totally flip the script on what AI gives you back. Let's break it down with a real-life analogy. Imagine you're ordering coffee. Alright, let's talk basic prompting tips. First off, be clear and concise. Now, let's look at the types of prompts you can use. You've got questions, which are great for getting facts or opinions. Then there are instructions, where you tell AI to perform a task like write a poem about sunsets. And don't forget fill-in-the-blank prompts, where you let AI complete your sentence or idea. It's like Mad Libs, but way cooler. Want some fun prompt engineering examples? Try these on for size. Write a joke about robots. But what happens when prompts go wrong? Oh boy, it can get messy. That's why prompt tuning and iteration are so important. It's all about trying, tweaking, and repeating until you get it just right. Let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid. Being too vague or open-ended is a big no-no. Ready for some advanced tricks? Try role-playing prompts like act as a doctor and explain ... So why is prompt engineering such a superpower? Well, it makes you way more effective with AI. It's like unlocking cheat codes in a video game. Here is a quick challenge for you viewers out there. Alright, we're wrapping up, but before we go, I've got a call to action for you. So, What should we explain next? Remember, prompt engineering is all about communication. It's about learning to speak AI's language so you can get the most out of these incredible tools. And here's a final thought to leave you with. As AI continues to evolve, the ability to effectively communicate with these systems is becoming more valuable than ever. So go forth and prompt. Experiment, have fun, and don't be afraid to get creative. Who knows? Until next time, keep those prompts flowing and your curiosity growing.